Welcome to Challenge 3. We will write a program to repeat a set of commands using a for loop. Look at Challenge 3 in the Digital Mood Ring by Challenges document. Let's insert a page with a new program editor. Press Ctrl, then the dot key with plus page as a blue control function. Now select 9, Program Editor, 1 for new. Type C3 as the program name and press Enter. Now press Menu and 4 Control. This menu contains common control structures for programs. We are going to choose the for and for loop structure. We will learn about while loops and other structures in future challenges. The commands between the for and the and for command are repeated based on the inputs to the for command. The TI-Nspire for loop requires 3 inputs. The first input is a variable to count the number of times that the loop has repeated. In this case, we will use the variable n. The second input is the starting value for the counter variable. Typically, this will be 1. The third input is the final value for the counter variable. In this case, we will use 10. There is an optional fourth input for the step size. If no value is entered, then the step size is 1. The loop that we have entered will start at 1 and will repeat the commands between the for and end for 10 times before stopping. To get a better understanding of the counter variable, let's add a disp@at command to check the value of n during each cycle of the loop. Press Enter. Press Menu, 6 for I/O, and 2 for disp@. Let's display the value on row 3. Then, let's display the value of the variable n. Notice that in this case, n is not in quotes as a text string. That means that the variable n will be evaluated to display the value of n. Press Enter to complete the command. Also, because the loop will run very fast and we might not be able to see the changes, let's add a wait command of 0.5 seconds. Before we continue, let's look at a summary of the for loop structure. Now do Ctrl-R to check syntax, store, and paste the program name on a calculator app. Ready to run. Now press Enter. You see the value of n displayed for each repeat of the loop. Let's go back and edit the program to try a few things. Control left arrow to go back a page. Let's change the number of repeats to be 100. Let's change the expression to be displayed to be n times 2 plus 3. Press Ctrl-R, then press Enter to run the program. In some cases, you will want to stop looping before the specified number of repetitions. Press and hold the on key. Eventually, the program will check to see that you want to break the program. You will receive a dialog box. In this case, we will press Escape to return to the calculator app. After you are done exploring, you will be ready to move on to the Digital Mood Ring Challenge 4 video. Do Ctrl-S to save your document before moving on.